These are the concepts you should know in react.js, after you learn the basics. You've followed your first react.js tutorial and you're feeling great. In the following article, I'm going to discuss 5 concepts that will bring your React skills and knowledge to the next level. 1. The component lifecycle. The component lifecycle is exactly what it sounds like. It details the life of a component. The lifecycle methods allow us to run code at specific points in a component's life or in response to changes in the component's life. Mounting. Now React mounts onto the DOM. Lastly, the component didMount method runs. Updating. This phase is triggered every time state or props change. Like component didMount, you can use it to make any async calls or manipulate the DOM. Unmounting. The unmounting phase is that last stage of the component lifecycle. When you remove a component from the DOM, React runs component will unmount right before it gets removed. Other lifecycle methods. Force update is a method that directly causes a re-render. Get derived state from error, on the other hand, is a lifecycle method that isn't directly part of the component lifecycle. 2. Higher order components. A higher order component is a function that takes a component and returns a new component. As you can see, hooks are extremely useful because they let us reuse code and remove bloat. 3. React state and set state. The only way you should change state is via the setState method. First, setState is asynchronous. 4. React context. This brings us now to React context, which is just global state for components. The React Context API allows you to create global context objects that can be given to any component you make. 5. Stay up to date with React. It's simply keeping up with the latest releases of React. React has made some serious changes lately, and it's only going to continue to grow and develop. Conclusion. Reading is one thing, but the only way to master it is to do it yourself. Learning a new technology may seem daunting, but the next thing you know, you'll be a React expert.